Fairmate, an Indian multinational company, is one of India's top manufacturers of construction chemicals, providing cost-effective solutions and world-class services to customers across the globe. Fairmate introduces PU Aqua Sl. It is a 4-component, polyurethane cementitious flooring system. It is applied at a thickness of 4 to 6 millimeters and forms an even, smooth and easy-to-clean surface. The thickness is determined by the service and cleaning temperatures and the severity of traffic expected. PU Aqua Sl is used as flooring in areas like food and beverage production, warehousing and storage, electronic component manufacture and assembly, pharmaceutical production, chemical plants, dairy and milk products, freezer rooms and refrigerated stores, bakeries, hotel kitchens. Advantages of PU Aqua Sl. Fast and easy application. Hygienic and safe, non-tainting, non-dusting. Easy to maintain. Seamless, easy to clean system. Water-based system with a high level of mechanical, chemical and water resistance. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.